ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्. We have completed Bhudhatu. Now in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, the second dhatu is Ata dhatu. Ata satatyagamani. Ata is the dhatu. And the meaning of the dhatu is satatyagamani. Satatyena gamanam. Satatya continuous movement, continuous going is called Satatya continuous going, continuous journey. Therefore atati means continuously goes. If you look into the Dhatu Patha, you will find it is Udatta and Udattet. There are two vowels here. One is A, another is Ta. In the Ta there is A. Therefore there are two A's. The second A, that is the A after Ta, is It, is Anunasika. And being Anunasika, it is It. Therefore, only At will remain, the second A being It. Then there is another detail given in the Dhatu Patha. It is Udatta Udattet. Udatta means the vowel which is not It is Udatta. This A is Udatta. And the Ta, the A of Ta which is It is also Udatta. Therefore it is called Udattet. Udatta Udattet dhatu. Therefore, let us consider whether this takes Parasmai Pada Pratyayas or Atmane Pada Pratyayas. We have already seen two sutras which enjoin Atmane Pada Pratyayas for a dhatu in Kartari. That is Anudattangita Atmane Padam. This is neither Anudattet, it is Udattet, not Anudattet, and it is not Nit also. Therefore, Anudattangita Atmane Padam does not apply here. Then there is another sutra, Swaritanitah Kartrabhipraye Kriya Phale. If it is Swaritet or if it is Nyit, then it can be Atmane Pada provided the Kriya Phala goes to the Karta. But this is not even Swaritet or Nyit. Therefore, all the possibilities of Atmane Pada Pratyayas are ruled out. Therefore, Sheshat Kartari Parasmai Padam iti it will take parasmaipada pratyayas in kartari prayoga. Therefore, it is called a parasmaipadi dhatu. Therefore, all pratyayas will be parasmaipada in kartari prayoga. Since we are looking at kartari prayoga, we will use only parasmaipada pratyayas now. Ata plus lat. Let us start with lat lakara. Vartamane lat. And in the place of lat, at. In the place of lat, tip, etc. Since it is a parasmaipadi, tiptasjhi, sipthastha, mipvasmas. So tip. Then kartari shap. This is kartari. Therefore shap. At plus shap plus tip. Tip is only ti and shap is a. At plus a plus ti. Atati. Simple. It is very much like bhudhatu, even simpler than bhudhatu when it comes to lat. Atati. Similarly, atataha, atanti, atasi, atathaha, atatha, atami, atava, atavaha, atamaha. In Uttama Purusha, mipvasmas. Ato dirgho yani will work. Therefore dirgha. Just like in bhavami, bhavavaha, bhavamaha. Atami, atavaha, atamaha. Simple. Then lit lakara. At plus lit. In the place of lit also tip pratyayas will come. At plus tip. And then there is a sutra. Parasmaipadanam nalatusus thalathusa nalvamaha. In the place of tip, taschi, etc. Nal, atus, us, thal, athus, a, nal, va, ma. These are substituted. Therefore, parasmaipadanam nalatusus thalathusa nalvamaha. Iti. In the place of tip, nal adesha. At plus nal. Now, since it is lit, the lit pratyaya is following, and we have already seen the sutras in bhudhatu. When lit follows, then if the dhatu is anabhyasa dhatu, then that kind of a dhatu gets doubling. Liti dhator anabhyasasya. Liti dhator anabhyasasya. With this sutra, at becomes a double, dvitva. At, and null is just a. Now abhyasa, this is called abhyasa, purvobhyasaha. We have seen the sutra purvobhyasaha. This at, first at is called abhyasa. And in abhyasa certain things happen. First of all, hraswaha, the vowel of an abhyasa becomes short, hraswa. But this is already hraswa, therefore we don't have to make it hraswa once again. Then there is another sutra, haladisheshaha. Haladihi, abhyasasya adihi hal. If the beginning of the abhyasa is a hal, then that hal remains. All other hals of the abhyasa get elided. Abhyasasya adihi hal shishyate anye halaha lupyante iti. This takara is a hal, but this is not abhyasasya adihi, because abhyasasya adihi is an akara. Therefore this takara will get dropped. Therefore at plus a. Now this is a nit pratyaya, null. In null, na is it, therefore it is a nit pratyaya. If a nit pratyaya follows, then there is a sutra, ata upadhayaha. We have not seen this sutra, it will be coming later. Ata upadhayaha. What is the number? 7. 7-4, I suppose. Anyway.
7-2.
Yeah, 7-2.
116.
116. Okay. When a nit pratyaya follows, then the a short at, which is upadha. All of you know what is upadha. What is upadha? Alontyat purva upadha. Yeah. The letter preceding the final letter is called upadha. So this is anga. This is pratyaya and this is anga. The final letter of the anga is takara. Then the preceding one, the letter preceding the final letter, this is upadha. By this sutra, ata upadhayaha, the upadha at, the upadha akara gets vriddhi. Therefore, at vriddhi. Becomes a. It is vriddhi. Plus at plus a. So at plus a. So now it is simple. Savarna dirgha. Between a and at, it will be savarna dirgha. Akassavarne dirgha. therefore at plus a ata. Ata is lit prathama purusha ekavachana form. The rest are similar. Atatuhu, ata, atatuhu, and just you take this much. See, at, this much you can take, and you add the pratyayas. Then you will get other forms because this much form is similar. At plus atus will become atatuhu. Then us, that is g, becomes us. So at plus us, atus, atuhu, ata, atatuhu, atuhu. Then thal, when thal follows, it is valadi ardhadhatuka. Lit is ardhadhatuka. There is a sutra, lit cha. All lit pratyayas are ardhadhatuka pratyayas. And thal is valadi ardhadhatuka. If it is valadi ardhadhatuka, it will get it agama. Ardhadhatuka syed valadehe. It will get it agama. Therefore, at plus it plus thal, tha, atitha. Then athus, atathuhu and athuhu. Then nal, again madhyama purusha, uttama purusha ekavachanam is nal, ata, again ata. Then va, at plus va ardhadhatuka syedvaladehe ativa and atima. These are lit forms. Ata, atatuhu, atuhu, atitha, atathuhu, ata, ata, ativa, atima. These are the lit forms. Sorry. My God, we have forgotten a sutra in lit. Ata adehe. Yeah. Oh, sorry, we have forgotten. Ata adehe. Ata adehe. Yeah. 7,470. Yeah. The forms are same, but the procedure, there is a difference. So, abhyasasya adehe, sorry, adehe is there. Yeah. Dirghaha. Yeah, liti. So, liti will write abhyasasya adehe ataha sthane dirghaha adeshaha liti pare. Yeah. So abhyasasya adehe ataha sthane. The at is short a. The short a of an abhyasa, which is the adi of an abhyasa. There should be short a and it should be the first letter of an abhyasa. Then that a gets a dirgha adesha. That is the meaning of the sutra. So we will see the sutra. Ata adehe अभ्यासस्य आदेः अतः दीर्घ स्यात् अभ्यासस्य आदेः अतः the adi at, the first at is taparakarana, therefore short a. The first a of an abhyasa, the first letter of an abhyasa, which is a, gets a dirgha adesha. So we should have applied this. So at plus null, okay, at plus null, then hraswaha haladisheshaha, at plus null is a, then now this will work. Ata adehe, this will get dirgha adesha. A plus at plus a. Now ata upadhayaha. Therefore a plus at plus a. So now savarna dirgha a at plus a, savarna dirgha, that will become ata. Ata. There won't be any difference in the form, but the procedure should be correct, because we will see the significance of these sutras in some other dhatus. We may not see it in ata, but in other dhatu, same form, we will find the significance of these pratyaya, of these sutras. So the forms are same. Ata, atatuhu, atuhu, atitha, atatuhu, atathuhu, ata, ata, and ata, ativa, atima. Now lut lakara. Lut lakara is very much similar to bhudhatu. No, there is no. So at plus tip, then there is a lot of prathamasya daraurasaha etc. will work, and finally it will be like atita, like bhavita. It is atita, atitaro, atitaraha, atitasi, atitasthaha, atitastha, atitasmi, atitaswaha, atitasmaha. The lut forms of bhudhatu. Then lrit forms, lrit lakara. Lrit lakara. Also similar. Bhu plus, at plus tip. Shatasil rulutoho. At plus sya plus tip. Then this is ardhadhatuka. Sya is ardhadhatuka and it is valadi. Therefore ardhadhatuka syed valadehe atisyati and adesha pratyayoho atishyati, atishyataha, atishyanti, etc. Simple. Then lot lakara. Lot also is very much similar to bhu dhatu. Atatu, atatam, atantu, etc. Atatu, atatat, atatat is ashir lot form. Atatu, atatat, atatam, atantu. Ataha, atatat, atatam, atata. Then atani, atava, atama. Ata, atatat. Ata, the sershya picha. Ato he, look will happen. So ata, madhyama purusha ekavachanam is ata. Ata, atatam, atata. Atani, atava, atama. Then vidhiling, vidhiling form. Also, the derivation is very much similar to bhudhatu. Yasut agama will happen. So, it will be atet. Ato yeyaha will also work. Ato yeyaha. Therefore, it will be atet, atetam, ateyuhu. Atehe, atetam, ateta. Ateyam, ateva, atema. Sorry, before that we have to look into lung. So, before vidhiling, we have to look into lung. So, in lung, we need to look into a sutra. Adajadinam. We have already seen a sutra before this, that is lung lang rung shvadudattaha. When lung or rung, any of these three nit lakaras follow, then not all nit, only lung and rung. Ling, it won't happen. Then the dhatu gets at agama. This is the previous sutra in Ashtadhyayi. Then there is an exception to that sutra. Adajadinam. If the dhatu is ajadi dhatu, if the dhatu begins with ach, a vowel, then the agama is not at, it will be art. Adajadinam. At ajadinam. At is prathama ekavachanam. Number 7.
6472.
6472. So, lung lang rung shu. Angasya. At will not come. Art is here. Angasya udattaha. Dhatoho. Dhatoho is there? No. Ajadinam anganam. Angasya Ajadinam is qualifying Anganam, therefore Anganam Vibhakti Vyatyaya. Ajadinam Anganam Avayavaha. We are discussing Agama, therefore Avayavaha. Art Agamaha Lung Lang Lungshu Pareshu. Yeah. Udattaha is not needed for us. We are not bothered about Udatta Swaras. Ajadinam Anganam. The Ajadi Angas. They get Art Agama when Lung Lang Lring follow the Angas. Art is a tit. Being tit, Adyantau Takitau iti Adyavayava. It will become the Adyavayava of the Anga. Yeah. We'll see the sutra. Ad Ajadinam Ajaderangasya Art Syat Ajaderangasya Art Lung Lang Lungshu. Yeah. See that Lungshu. There is a Ksha. Why does Ksha happened, you know? Ring plus Shu. See. Ring plus Shu, let us say. There is a sutra, Gnoho Kuktuk Shari. Gnoho Kuktuk Shari. Gnoho Kuktuk Shari. We have seen this in Sandhi. So there is a Kuk Agama here. That is how it becomes Lringshu, Ka and Sha. Yeah. So, yeah. Ad Ajadinam Ajadehe Angasya. I have written Ajadinam Angana. He has written Ajadehe Angasya. Both are okay. So, Ajadehe Angasya. The Anga, if it is Ajadi, then Art Syat, it gets Art Agama, Lung Lang Lringshu, when Lung Lang or Lring Lakara follows. So, this is the only difference between Bhu and At. All the rest are similar. So, At plus tip. So we are looking into lung. At plus lung. And lat is tip. Lung is in the place of lung we get tip. At plus ti. Pa is it. Then itascha. Itascha. E goes away. At plus takara. Now shap. Kartari shap iti shap. At plus a. At. Now this is a lung lakara. Therefore, Ad Ajadinam. It is Ajadi anga, and it is followed by, in fact, this whole thing is anga. Shap is a plus the. So this is lang lakara. The tip has come in the place of lung, therefore it is lung. This whole thing is anga. This is ajadi anga. Ajadi anga is followed by lung, therefore art. Art plus ata plus t. Art is only a plus ata plus t. Now we have seen a sutra very long back. Artascha. When art is followed by ach, then vriddhi ekadesha happens. I think 6-1 something in the sutra. Artascha 6190. We have seen this in Sandhi, Omangoscha or some sutra. When we looked into that, we have seen this. Atascha. So between a and this a, vriddhi adesha, vriddhi ekadesha happens, and the vriddhi which is similar to a and a is a. Therefore, a is ekadesha. At plus a, atat, yeah. Ata plus t becomes atat. So this much will be similar for all, but then the rest pratyayas you can add and deduct. It is very much like bhudhatu. Atat, atatam, atan, ataha, atatam, atata. So in tas etc. Tas thastamipam tantan tamaha, all those things will happen. So atat, atatam, atan, ataha, atatam, atata, atam, 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 atava, atam, atat, atatam, atan, ataha, atatam, atata, atam, atava, atama. There also atava, ato dirgho yani will work. Atam, mip, in the place of mip, am will come. Tasthastamipam tantan tamaha. So atam, atava, atama. Then Vidhiling is very much similar to Bhudhatu. There is no new sutra is not needed. Therefore, Yasut Agama will happen, and then Ato Yeyaha. So At plus Tip, Shap will come. At plus Shap plus Tip. Then Itascha, the E will go. At plus A plus Takara. Then Yasut Parasmai Padesho Dato Nitcha. At plus Ata. At plus Shap will become Ata. Ata plus Yasut plus Takara. Then Ato Yeyaha. So Ato Yeyaha, Yasut, Yas of Yasut will become I. So ata plus I plus takara, and then lopo vyorvali, ata plus I plus takara, and then a plus I will guna will happen atet. So the rest are similar. Atet, atetam, ateyuhu, yus. So jherjus will happen. Therefore ateyuhu. Atehe, atetam, ateta. Then ateyam, ateva, atema. Their lopo vyorvali will not work. Ateyam, in ateyam, the I adesha, has come, you see, so lopo vyorvali will not happen because valadi is not there. Ateyam, ateva, atema. So in vas and mas, the nityam nitaha, the sakara will be elided. Then ashirling also is very much similar to bhudhatu. So atyat, atyastam, atyasuhu, atyaha, atyastam, atyasta, atyasam, atyasva, atyasma. Atyat, atyastam, atyasuhu, atyaha, atyastam, atyasta, atyasam, atyasva, atyasma are shirling forms. Then, vidhiling, shirling, lung forms we have to see. We will see in the next class. Vrittavasane nataraja nanadadhakkam navapanchavaram uddhartu kamassanakadi siddhan etadvimareshe shiva sutrajalam.